Alright, we're back everyone with part 2 of soybean harvest 2022. Today we got all the augers set up. So basically we got the wagon full of soybeans here, which dumps into this auger, which dumps into this, which is called a rotary screener. It basically screens the beans, takes all the trash out, and dumps it, and then it'll dump all the clean grain in the auger, which takes it into the bin. So got that set up. So now we are ready to unload some beans in the bin. That's how we clean the beans. So just clean and go right up to the bin. Pretty easy. Except it takes a bit to adjust just right. Trust me. Alright, so that wagon is empty, so everything's shut down now. I'm going to take this wagon out to the field so he can fill it up again. Here we are out in the field. He's taking these end passes off. He's taking the ones off in the back of the field. Now he's taking the ones off that end, and then he's going to take the ones off this end. I'm waiting for him to do this end because I kind of need a spot right now to turn this thing around so then we can get it out of the field when it's full. It just helps with, it's less compaction on the field, because instead of us turning our full wagon on the field, it's better to turn the empty wagon, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah. We have all the end rows off this field here. He's just dumping in the wagon right now. I'm going to take the wagon up to the other end, turn it around, and he's just going to work his way all the way over here, and then we will be done with soybeans. So. Alright, so we're unloading wagon load number 2 of soybeans. So basically the same as earlier, just through the cleaner and up into the auger, into the bin. So yeah, basically that's it. So we're working on load 3 of soybeans. As you can see, he's made a good dent in our soybean chunk over here, so that's good. We'll probably try and get soybeans done tomorrow if we can. But yeah, this is run into a few things here and there. Mainly just, we're getting dry soybeans, but we got a lot of little water hemp seeds and stems coming in, which is like causing beans to clump together. So besides that issue, everything seems to be going just fine. So yeah. In fact, for those of you that don't know, that combine is 30 years old this year. And for 30 years old, it's a really good combine. I mean, that thing is really reliable. It's compared to the combines I've seen today, like the ones that I see in this day and era, like at the Farm Progress show. That thing is simple. Like, it's got only thing it has on it is just what it needs. And it works just fine, and it's already held up 30 years, and it could probably last another 30 years. So yeah, I've always loved the sound of it. I've always loved the style of it, and we're gonna keep running it as long as we can. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.